Hello, I'm the glorious sneaking kitty and this is my channel. These are the clips and the funny moments from our server. Enjoy!
Oh, that's ours.
That's ours?
There it is. Yeah. And this one's mine. This is my green bean. While you do that, watch, if you don't mind watching my back for a minute.
Sure. Just leave the trunk, man. Watch back.
No, right? What's your level? What can you install? Yeah.
Why am I this bad? Come on. Oh, come on, it's not that. Come on. Come on. The kitty power. No. It's not this hard. Come on.
This is when we need that true life mod so I can pull a chair out and just sit here and look at you.
Thank you. I feel so loved in this group.
You're welcome. Oh, it's still not letting you pull them out?
No, I have been trying for quite a while.
I'm sorry. Alright, here, let me go ahead and get it done.
Literally a little basin. Is that an Honda? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I want that. Yeah.
If anything, you may just not have the skill level to install it.
Chance of success 5%. Chance of damage 95.
Ooh, nope.
No.
Nope. Back away.
Come on. The little car that could. Come on. Oh my god! Look at my car. My car is amazing. Give it a lick. Tastes like, well, sadness and rust. Come on. Ah, no.
You can just leave it right there. You can just leave it. I'll get it.
Thank you.
Thank you for getting it around the corner. It sounded like a very big ordeal.
It was. If you have those kitty boots and everything. If you take everything off except for the hoodie, will it work or will it glitch?
What do you mean?
Because if I tried to put the hoodie on and it just glitched like fuck out.
Oh.
I'm coming downstairs.
Not very fast, but I'm trying.
I'm hideous.
You're not hideous. Ew. What? Which car is yours, by the way?
Oh wait, yeah, it's Emma in
Emma. Which one is Emma?
It's over here. I keep it on a graveyard.
Oh. Oh, that's right, that little truck we found.
Yeah, doesn't sound creepy at all.
No, not at all. You just keep your lady in the graveyard.
Yeah.
Got it.
We are just dancing because we don't care.
It's like, fuck it.
Fuck it, we're gonna dance.
Somebody come get them, they're dancing like some strippers, hey. Somebody come get them, they're dancing like the strippers, hey. I needed this today.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh,
What?
We must go inside.
Oh, sir, you gotta be more specific with your exclamations. Oh.
We must take a coffee machine.
What do you...
How far are we?
Like you need fucking caffeine.
Can I take it? Just... Yes, I can.
We're gonna have to go back to the thing like right now. How heavy is it?
Very heavy.
Oh, well, he's struggling.
Totally.
Alright.
Totally worth it.
It's worth it.
Totally worth it.
It's worth it. Okay.
It does absolutely nothing, but I can put it on my room. Wanna hear something funny?
Yes.
I was thinking, why in the name of hell am I so bloody heavy? You wanna know why?
Sure.
It's because I'm carrying a fucking 2 of those coffee machines still.
I thought you put them down.
That's what I thought. Why am I so heavy? Okay, I'm gonna drop those. So
Did you, yeah. Well, did you also put down your fucking, coffees?
Oh wait. Did I now? All those precious coffee machines. Yes, I did. This time.
Charge into the fray. Boop. Uh-oh, I ran into the trees. Shit. I charged too hard.
You charge too hard.
I did. Eeh. Okay, we might need to draw them out here. So, here's a plan. We're gonna draw them out. You're going in. Oh my god, you're so brave.
And it's empty. There's no one.
This is the one you should have recorded, my guy.
I'm still recording.
Oh.
I have been
You're recording right now?
Yeah, I've been recording for the last 3 hours.
I am so sorry.
And
you two are a loot goblin.
Yeah. And ooh, I'm gonna
Oh.
take this. I'm gonna take this. I don't care how much it bloody weights or anything. I'm gonna take this. Don't ask why. Nobody ask. Nobody wants to know how much this weights.
Alrighty. Oh, there's a good little fucking...
shit. That was heavy. Oh. Because... Wanna know what I found? Because I seriously need it.
What?
I'm carrying an arcade machine.
That'll do it.
Yep. Might have been a bad idea.
Yeah, you think?